Hi, Cindy Yender with Nebraska Realty here. You know, it's still a little cool to plant things outside, so I thought we would look at the best things to plant right now inside. So I have some seeds here. We have some carrots, some marigolds, some corn. So you'll want to read the back of each individual seed packet to decide when is the best time to start them inside and then when you can transfer them outside. Okay, here we have some daisies. Whoa, we have a lot of daisies. I'm putting a pinch of seeds in each cup, and then once they start coming up, you'll have to thin them out. I'm gonna stick them down just a little bit. I'm not gonna put a whole lot of dirt on top of them, just a little bit. In early March, you can start bell peppers, celery, tomatoes, cauliflower, dill, and parsley. Mid to late March is the best time to plant cabbage, broccoli, chives, mint, oregano, and sage. In late March, it's a good time to start cucumbers, zucchini, and sweet potatoes. If you don't have a lot of natural sunlight, you can also use grow lights. You can plant whatever you'd like outside as long as we're past the last frost. Beginning in mid-March, you can plant these directly in the ground. Both English and snap peas, spinach. In late March, carrots, onions, lettuce. Make sure you use good compost and avoid tilling, as it can cause more harm than good. So you want to make sure that these are moist, but never like soggy. This is advice from John Fetch, Nebraska Extension Office. He's a great resource if you have any landscaping questions, gardening questions. So now I'm going to take these to my office and put them in the window and see if they grow. So I'm going to take these and set them right in the sun. I have a corner office with lots of windows, so hopefully these will do very well. So if you have any questions about any of these things, reach out to me on social media or give me a call.